If you're wondering how to use the camera pro mode for Motorola Moto G86 5G, first of all, let's open a camera app on our device. Then we need to find and select the pro mode right here. And finally, we'll be able to see all of the settings. So first, let's move from the left to right. We have the autofocus or just a manual focus settings as well. You can adjust how the image on your camera will focus, so you can change here more to the macro mode, more wider range or more focused range up close. Then there's the white balance, which changes a tone of your photos. If you move more to the left, then to the bluish tone. If you move more to the middle like this, it will become neutral, or if you move to the right, it will be more orange or yellowish. Then you have the shutter speed, which makes your shutter open for a certain amount of time after you click on the shutter button. So if you move to the left, your shutter will remain open for as little time as possible. If you move to the right, then in this example, it will remain open for 32 seconds. In this time, I recommend not to move your device if you have longer shutter times, because your photos will be blurry. And also, the more you go to the right, the more brighter your photos will be, as when the camera shutter is opened, it will catch all of the light and then they will be very, very lit. Next thing is ISO, which allows you to adjust the brightness of your photos. So if you're combining a high shutter speed, I recommend to put ISO on the lower level, right like this. So go here, not to the auto mode. Then there's the exposure, and if you want to adjust exposure, you will need to reduce the camera shutter speed to auto, and then you can adjust the exposure, which compensate depending on what you actually pick here, will compensate light to shadows and etc. So you can adjust it however you like. Additionally, there's a few different, actually one setting that you can do in Pro mode. You can change the format of your photos to JPEG, RAW, or you can also go for a JPEG RAW image as well. So that is all of the unique camera Pro mode settings for this device. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.